Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to accept Apple Pay in 2025. If you're a business owner or merchant looking to streamline payments and boost customer satisfaction, this is the guide for you. Apple Pay has evolved a lot, with new features making it faster and more secure than ever. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is Apple Pay? It's a contactless payment system that lets customers use their iPhone, Apple Watch, or other devices to make secure transactions. In 2025, it's even more widespread, with enhanced encryption and broader compatibility. To start accepting it, you need to ensure your setup is ready. Step 1. Check your hardware. You'll need an NFC-enabled terminal or point-of-sale system. Most modern devices support this, but double-check if yours is up to date. Next, partner with a payment processor that supports Apple Pay. Popular options include Stripe, Square, or Adyen. Sign up for their services, it's usually straightforward. Once you're in, integrate Apple Pay into your website, app, or in-store systems. For online stores, use Apple's developer tools to add the payment button. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy, many processors offer easy plugins. Now, for the fun part, testing. After setup, run a few test transactions to make sure everything works smoothly. Apple Pay in 2025 includes biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID, adding an extra layer of security. Remember, always comply with privacy regulations to protect customer data. One more tip. Promote it. Let your customers know you accept Apple Pay by adding signs in your store or highlighting it on your checkout page. This can increase sales since it's convenient and trusted. By accepting Apple Pay, you're not just keeping up with trends, you're providing a seamless experience that customers love. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.